Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this video, I want to explain how you can save your own chart layouts. So for example, now I have this chart. You can see the current name of the layout template over here. In this case, it's tutorials. If I click on the arrow down, then you can also see other templates that I have added earlier. And if I now select this one, the hash ribbons, for example, on the weekly time frame, if I click on it, click on leave, now you see that this chart will be loaded. And over here you can see the name again, hash ribbons. So that means that now this template is selected, and you can also see it over here. It has this indicator and this chart type. And if I now go back to another chart layout again, for example, I'll select the tutorials again, click on leave, and now you see that this layout will be loaded again. So how you can create your own templates is as follows. First, you have to go to this option over here. You can see the drop down arrow, and if you hover over it, you can see manage layouts. Click on it. Over here you can choose the option new layout, and if you click on it, you can see in another window a blank canvas will be opened. And over here you can add the indicators, you can draw trend lines, you can do whatever you want, and then you can save the template. By default it's named unnamed, but if you want to change that, you can click on the arrow down. Over here you can see the rename option, click on it, and over here you can say set up a name. For example, I'll call this one tutorial 2, click on save, and now you can see that the name has been changed. And it's also added to the options over here, the recently used ones. And if you have a lot of templates added, then only a couple will be showed at recently used. And if you want to view all your layouts, then you have to go to the load layout option over here, click on it, and there you will see the different type of layouts that you have. And you can also set certain ones as favorites. And if you do that, then you can easily choose them from the toolbar over here. So that's everything you need to know on how to save and manage your own chart templates. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.